What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Hey y'all, I just finished making the review video for the satin bread ones. I know I'm about a month and a half late on that one, but I'm just trying to catch up right now. So y'all do me a favor, just take a quick gander on it. It's not even that long. Quick peek at it, hit the like button on it, help your boy out. I appreciate it. So that one right there, like I said, that was a sadly, misunderstood sneaker, like a redheaded stepchild or whatnot. So, all right, well, again, I want to sit here and thank y'all for, liking the videos, sharing the content, and subscribing to the channel. Even though I haven't been keeping up with all the videos, but such is life. I'm gonna try to keep pumping them out now, and I got a crazy backlog on some Lego sets, some nice ones that I'm gonna do some time lapses on, and I'm in the works of trying to get a channel logo going and an intro video, trying to get all that going, trying to improve the channel a little bit, give it a better look for you guys to enjoy. So, but right now, what this video is about right now is about these next Air Jordans, that another misunderstood pair. I mean, I want to say out of the next few videos that I'm going to be making, there's at least the bread ones, the satin bread ones was one mistaken one. This pair that I'm reviewing is another one. And then I have, looking at my stack over here, probably got two more that are misunderstood pairs, that I'm like, what? No way. But anyway, let's not even get into that right now. What we're going to get into is this sneaker we're going to review. So in front of me, I've got this thing right here. Boom. And for all you sneakerheads out there, you guys know what normally comes in this type of box, what Jordan Retro it is. So let me get to reading this label. It is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The color is black, royal blue, white. The size is 10. And ladies and gents, like I said, I know they've been out for a while, but I'm just now cracking them open. In front of me, we have the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined Royal Blues. And again, another misunderstood sneaker. Check it out. Now, what I'm gonna tell y'all about this sneaker is, first of all, you guys know how I am with the suede, and you know that I ain't afraid to say if it's crappy looking suede, if I ain't with the suede or whatnot. And this sneaker, a lot of people will complain that they made them suede, and I'm like, why are you complaining? It's not bad. I mean, now if it was crappy, suede like the ones they did on those I'm on my year 12s, I would agree with y'all. But the suede on these and the nubuck all are dope. They're good quality. There's no creases in them, no issues with them. The suede is short hair suede, nice and clean to keep them. Now I will say that I wish they would have dyed the suede a little darker, the blue, to give it that real good deep royal blue. But that is probably my only, I won't say it's a complaint, but it's more a suggestion of a better improvement on if they ever try to bring these back out. Because if you can see, the soul blue definitely doesn't match the suede. And of course with suede, it's harder to get that exact match, but you could definitely tell it's a shade lighter, or a couple shades lighter than the actual royal blue. So, but let's not give away too much about the review and too much of the up close. I'm gonna put these in front of the camera so y'all can sit here and watch them. And of course, some of y'all already got these, and I'm not gonna sit here in front like nobody has seen these already. But again, this is just my opinion still on what the shoe looks like and what the quality of the shoe is. So, all right, enough of that. Let's put this in front of the camera and let's get you, a close look. So let's get it. All right, in front of us, we got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Reimagined Royal Blues, y'all. and to me, it's a pretty good sneaker. So let's go over these real quick. Well, of course, you see the box, your typical Air Jordan 1 with the royal blue on the Nike and the swoosh. Let's get rid of that real quick. Let's get these bad boys in front of us. And like I said, y'all, look at the suede. It's good quality suede right there. So then you got nubuck all around the toe and some of the mid panels. You can see right here. Check it out, y'all. And y'all know I'm real picky on my suede. And other than that, you know, having a little bit of white on there, which of course you could brush that off, the sneaker is dope. So let's look at the out panels real quick. As I can tell, pretty good looking right there. On the back, the typical wings, Air Jordan wings on the back. Suede is dope. You got your typical soles right there for that, and of course Nike Air on the tongue with nice royal blue. So again, I know some of y'all don't like to sit here and, you know, mix your OGs too much, but I think this was a fresh look on the royal blue, and on top of that, the materials were great. It didn't cheap out on the nubuck. They, you know, did good on the nubuck. They did good on the suede, and again, these are sitting. I think it's a damn shame that they sitting. Definitely, everybody should have these in their pairs, you know, in their closets. And I'm not speaking it on a, you know, just on a, you know, money type situation. This is definitely a good sneaker. So if you could cop them, definitely go out there and get them. Don't, you know, follow the hype on these. These are definitely a dope pair to have in your collection. So, all right, y'all, let me know in the comment section what y'all think about the Air Jordan 1 Retro Reimagined Royal Blues. I love them. I think they're great. You guys need to go ahead and crop them too. My opinion anyway, right? So, all right, let's get these back in front of the camera. Give our final thoughts and comments on the sneaker. Make sure y'all leave your comments in the comment section, and we'll take it from there. All right, y'all, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined Royal Blues, and I can't say it any more than I have already said it in the up close. This sneaker is dope. It's good quality on it. The nubuck, the suede. I'm completely happy with this sneaker. There's again just a victim of sneaker times right now, and again, Nike put out a lot of these too. Enough that, you know, if you're a real sneakerhead and wanted to cop them, no resellers didn't cop these. I mean, if they did, they were trying to pretty much undermine the guy that just bought them from Nike or from a foot site. They were trying to get them under retail so they could sell them at retail or a little bit above. So again, the sneaker is a dope sneaker. Don't, you know, listen to the hype about them being bricks and not being a good sneaker. It's dope. Go out and get you a pair. There's been some sales already on these. They're going for low, you know, below retail on some of the GOAT and StockX's. I mean, hey, pick you up a pair. It's definitely dope. If you can't, because you know your situation, your financial situation ain't right and whatnot, hey, just wait a little longer. I don't see these bouncing back until like maybe another year or so. And hey, I'll have mine, and I have my Rock One Stock One pair of these ones too. So hey, I'm waiting for them to sit and be crispy and rocking when nobody ain't rocking them. So all right, well, thanks for sticking to the video, sitting there and watching them. Thanks for sitting there and subscribing to the channel. Make sure y'all hit that like button one more time for your boy before y'all click on that little X on the side of the top right of the screen to close it out. So just make sure you guys stay tuned, because I'm gonna have some more time-lapse videos. I'm really got a lot of time-lapse videos that are gonna be in the pipeline, and I got some different angles I'm gonna try. I'm buying an extension arm for the tripod, so it's right over the table that I'm doing it. I'm gonna mount one to the side so you guys get a height difference as I build up whatever I'm building up, especially on the some of these taller ones that I got coming. So y'all gonna see those. So all right, again, thanks for sticking to the sticking through the whole channel and through the video. Hit that like button, and I appreciate it. So, and there's nothing more left to say other than, as always, it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.